Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Let me show you the error first and then we will troubleshoot this issue step by step. So when I want to open my E drive is not accessible, access is denied. If you are facing the similar issue in another drive, even in D or C, so this video is for you. I will show you how we can fix this issue. So what you need to do is you need to right click on your drive. This issue occurs due to your incorrect appropriate rights you have. Right click on your system drive, go to show more options and open the properties. And once you see the properties, open the security tab here and then click on advanced. As you can see, unable to display the current owner is showing up here. What you need to do is you need to click on change here, then select your object type and only select the option which says users. Untick all the options here, then click on users, click on OK and then click on advanced and click on find now and you will see your username here. Check your username. What is the username you are using? Currently I'm using this username as administrator. You can select another user on your system accordingly, then click on OK. User is selected, that is click on OK. And once you see this option, you can apply the options here, then click on OK and then click on OK again. Now again open the same directory, advanced directory, and now this time click on change permission and then click on add. Click on select a principal. Again go to objects and only tick the option as users, then click on advanced and find the user again, same user which you have provided the full admin rights, and then click on this option full control. Apply the changes these to objects and contain within this container. Just click on this option as well, then click on OK and replace all the child object permission entire with inheritance permission entries from this object. Tick this option, apply, click on OK, click on continue, and you may have to click multiple time OK on continue options until you see this option. Now this option is highlighted and you should be able to open your data now and your issue should be fixed instantly. You can also choose the another user here, it has full rights. So this is how you can fix the issue, and I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.